Deborah Dahab, your expat coach and intercultural psychologist. This is a quick video. I just wanted to share with you that today is my birthday and I am offering 50% off all of my courses, including the Master Your Move program. So from August 24th to August 31st, if you are interested in getting into any of my courses, my self-study courses, or my one-to-one coaching, or my Master Your Move program, or anything that I offer as a service, or anything that can support you in your move abroad, you have 50% off if you enroll by August 31st. So by the end of the month, this promotion ends because I'm so happy. This is my birthday week and I wanted to share the love. So if this is something that you were on the fence, that you were considering, take action now. I think it's going to be awesome to have you in any of my programs and any of my self-study courses. On the links in the description box, you will find the link to my website where you will find everything, a list of all the courses. All you have to do is include code 50 off and you will get 50% off. If you are interested in the Master Your Move program, please schedule a free one-to-one conversation with me and we'll see if the program is a good fit. I hope to see you next time. I told you this was a quick one because I'm going out to celebrate. See you next time.